Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to add header and footer in your Microsoft Word file. So let's begin our video. So here you can see this is Microsoft Word file and there have 3 pages, and in every page there have no header and footer, and I want to add them. What I need to do, I simply click on the top insert option, and then on the right side they have a option header. Select it, and then you can see lot of here you can see a lot of design on here. Which design you actually want, you can select. I select this one. Well, here you can see header already added. Right now I need to add footer. What I need to do, I again go on insert, select footer, and find out a beautiful design. I select this one. So that's it. Here you can see header and footer already added. So that's it. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.